Hey guys, so a classmate asked, what is the structure of an amino acid and why is that important? To begin, an amino acid is made of 5 key parts, which contribute to an amino acid's unique structure and properties. The name itself gives away 2 of its components. Amino and amino acid refers to the amine functional group, or NH3, that exists within its structure. Likewise, the acid in amino acid comes from the existence of another functional group, carboxyl or carboxylic acid. Now that we have our 2 functional groups, we need to have a central component for these functional groups to bond to. In an amino acid, the central component is a carbon atom, also known as an alpha carbon. The other 2 components of the amino acid also bond to this alpha carbon. And those components are hydrogen and the side chain, denoted as capital R. This R group differs between each amino acid and is responsible for the unique properties of the 20 amino acids that are found in proteins. For example, amino acids can be hydrophilic or hydrophobic, depending on the R group. Remember that hydrophilic means that a substance likes water, or that it will dissolve in water. Conversely, hydrophobic fears water, meaning it won't dissolve in water. Since like dissolves like, only a polar substance would be hydrophilic, as water is polar, with the oxygen being more electronegative and pulling on electrons more, giving it a partial negative charge and the hydrogens a partial positive charge. Therefore, if the R group is nonpolar, then the entire amino acid is hydrophobic, while a polar R group allows for a hydrophilic amino acid. In this example, we are asked to see which amino acid is hydrophilic and which is hydrophobic. The highlighted piece of the structure is the R group of each amino acid, since we can see all the other 4 components of the amino acid. The R group of leucine is nonpolar. However, the R group in serine and aspartic acid are both polar. This makes leucine hydrophobic and serine and aspartic acid hydrophilic. But what if we want multiple amino acids bonded together? How would that affect its structure? A dehydration reaction is how we are able to combine monomers into polymers, or in this case, amino acids into polypeptides. In this example, the dehydration reaction links the amine group of one amino acid to the carboxyl group of the other, combining the hydroxide of the carboxyl group with one of the hydrogen in the amino group to produce a water byproduct. This linkage between the 2 amino acids is called a peptide bond. And in this example, the peptide bond helps to bring together the 2 components of a dipeptide, with the prefix di meaning 2 and denoting the presence of 2 amino acids. I hope this video helped you to understand the general structure of an amino acids and the importance of this structure.